wanna hear old Jimmy skin the blues again.
Hello YouTube, and welcome back to Multi-Tool School. This multi-tool, previously made by Gerber, is the Nautilus. It's not in production anymore. And what makes this tool interesting, in my opinion, is this part of it. There's a flashlight that you can access by pushing this button, and you get an LED flashlight like this. Push the button once, you get this light. Push it a second time, you get this light. And again, now you have both lights in operation. And again, you get the emergency strobe light. So, pretty handy device. Here's where you access the batteries on this LED light that you get on the Gerber Nautilus. Okay, who doesn't enjoy that, right? You get some tools here, a knife blade that is a good quality steel, sharpens up really good, very good. And you also get this combination of screwdriver and bottle opener. You get this Phillips screwdriver. You get this lanyard ring, and you also get some scissors. These are all locking tools that you unlock with these levers right here. So that is the Gerber Nautilus. Now, if you do happen to have one of these, or if you get one of these, you probably are going to want to get a bit kit from Gerber that looks like this. I've done a previous video on it, and the bit kit also comes with this sheath, and there's room for the Nautilus, plus there's also this pouch right here that has a space for the bit kit. And this is what you're going to get when you get this. If you get this bit kit, they're going to come like this. And I've just removed them and put them in a small plastic bag here just to try that out instead. But what these bits in this bit kit are is your standard sized 1/4 inch bits, and they come with this adapter that has a magnet in it. And so all you have to do is open up your screwdriver blade, and the adapter slides right over it like such, and then you just take any of your bits, your standard 1/4 inch size bits, and there you go. Now, the bit adapter also fits on the Phillips driver also, either one of them. So that is an overview of the Gerber Nautilus Not in production anymore, but pretty interesting multi-tool. I like it. And of course, you gotta love this. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.